Welcome to Healthcare Bites for You. Are you tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep? Do you feel like your energy has vanished since turning 50? It's not just age. It could be a cellular energy crisis. Let's uncover the 6 hidden causes of fatigue that are quietly draining your energy every day, and how to fight back. Cortisol, the silent energy killer. Cortisol is your stress hormone. A little helps in emergencies, but too much, especially from ongoing stress, can wreck your energy. High cortisol floods your blood with sugar, keeping you wired at night and exhausted during the day. It also burns out your mitochondria, the tiny power stations inside your cells. Solution? Practice 5 minutes of deep breathing, walking, or listening to calming music daily. It helps lower cortisol and gives your cells room to recharge. Insulin resistance, fuel that can't enter cells. Insulin resistance means sugar can't enter your cells to give them energy. It's caused by too much processed food, sugar, and sitting all day. Your cells literally starve, even with plenty of food in your system. Solution: try cutting sugar, eating fewer carbs, and walking after meals. This improves insulin sensitivity and lets your mitochondria start producing energy again. Sluggish liver, the overlooked energy organ. Your liver stores and releases energy. But when it's overloaded with toxins, fat, or alcohol, it slows down. This means your body can't deliver fuel when needed, leaving you tired and foggy. Solution: drink more water, eat leafy greens, and avoid late-night snacking. These habits help detox your liver and boost energy flow. Processed foods, fake fuel for your body. Processed foods are loaded with chemicals and low in real nutrients. They cause inflammation, block energy production, and starve your cells of the tools they need. Solution: eat more whole foods like eggs, nuts, vegetables, and wild-caught fish. Your mitochondria will thank you, and so will your brain. CoQ10 deficiency, the aging spark plug. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, is a nutrient your body makes for energy. But after age 50, and especially if you take statins, it drops fast. Low CoQ10 equals low energy, fatigue, and weak muscles. Solution: eat organ meats, fatty fish, or take a CoQ10 supplement. Even a small dose can reignite your cells' energy-making process. Vitamin B1, your hidden energy booster. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, turns food into fuel. Stress, alcohol, and caffeine all lower B1, and without it, energy production slows down. You may feel tired, foggy, or constantly yawning. Solution: add sunflower seeds, nutritional yeast, or grass-fed meat to your meals. Or try a B-complex vitamin to top up your levels. Take action. Reboot your energy naturally. If you're over 50, these energy drains might sound familiar. The good news? You can fix them without extreme diets or expensive pills. Here's your simple plan. 1. Lower stress with deep breathing or short walks. 2. Cut sugar and reduce processed foods. 3. Support your liver with greens and water. 4. Add B1 and CoQ10-rich foods. 5. Try gentle exercise like stretching or walking. 6. Stay hydrated with minerals, not just plain water. Start small. Stay consistent. In just a few weeks, you may feel like yourself again, energized, clear-headed, and ready to enjoy life. Motivational ending. Fatigue is not just part of aging. It's your body's cry for help at the cellular level. By understanding these 6 hidden causes and making smart changes, you can take back your energy naturally and powerfully. Because at 50 or 60, you still have so much life to live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community at Healthcare Bites for You for more simple, powerful health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.